please request the family to step on stage. Thank you so much for being with us today.
ऐसे नहीं बनती लेगेसी जो चले सालों साल, ऐसे नहीं होगा फिर से किस्मत देती है मौका एक बार। नाम फैला हर स्क्रीन पे, हक की कमाई नहीं ली किसी से छीन के। मुंबई जाने मेरा नाम है, बर्रा मेरा दाम। अब आई मेरी बारी, बरसूंगा जैसे आंधी। I roll like
Once again, 20th of August, Prime Video, Angry Young Men. Don't forget, thank you so much for being with us today.
शहर में लाती है तहलका, रोके ना रोके हम तेरी न सुने तो फायदा नहीं कहने का। खुद के काम से खुद का नाम ढलता नहीं अब मेरा चांद, और क्यों करते वो सलाम जो पहले कहते थे हम आम। मैं तूफान तू नहीं जानता, फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझको की है क्या तू मानता। गुस्सा रखा महफूस नहीं होने दिया महसूस, वो पूछे कैसे, यही तो प्लान था। I roll like thunder, thunder, तूफान मेरे अंदर अंदर। I run this town, मुंबई जाने मेरा नाम। I run this town, क्योंकि बड़ा मेरा दाम। I bring that fire, fire, कोई रोक नहीं पाया, पाया। I run this town, yeah I run this town, I run this town, you can't drag me down. Yeah, yeah, I run this town. Can't drag me down. ऐसे नहीं बनती लेगेसी जो चले सालों साल, ऐसे नहीं होगा फिर से किस्मत देती है मौका एक बार। नाम फैला हर स्क्रीन पे, हक की कमाई नहीं ली किसी से छीन के। मुंबई जाने मेरा नाम है, बर्रा मेरा दाम। अब आई मेरी बारी, बरसूंगा जैसे आंधी। I roll like thunder, thunder, तूफान मेरे अंदर अंदर। I run this town, मुंबई जाने मेरा नाम। I run this town, क्योंकि बड़ा मेरा दाम। I bring that fire, fire, कोई रोक नहीं पाया, पाया। I run this town, yeah I run this town, I run this town, you can't drag me down.
दो का है, दो उधर है ना?
और एक Q&A के लिए
वो साइड में नहीं है ना कुछ?
हमें वो आती जो आती है शहर में लाती है तहलका, रोके ना रोके हम तेरी न सुने तो फायदा नहीं कहने का। खुद के काम से खुद का नाम ढलता नहीं अब मेरा चांद, और क्यों करते वो सलाम जो पहले कहते थे हम आम। मैं तूफान तू नहीं जानता, फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझको की है क्या तू मानता। गुस्सा रखा महफूस नहीं होने दिया महसूस, वो पूछे कैसे, यही तो प्लान था। I roll like thunder, thunder, तूफान मेरे अंदर अंदर। I run this town, मुंबई जाने मेरा नाम। I run this town, क्योंकि बड़ा मेरा दाम। I bring that fire, fire, कोई रोक नहीं पाया, पाया। I run this town, yeah I run this town, I run this town, you can't drag me down. Yeah, yeah, I run this town. Can't drag me down. ऐसे नहीं बनती लेगेसी जो चले सालों साल, ऐसे नहीं होगा फिर से किस्मत देती है मौका एक बार। नाम फैला हर स्क्रीन पे, हक की कमाई नहीं ली किसी से छीन के। मुंबई जाने मेरा नाम है, बर्रा मेरा दाम। अब आई मेरी बारी, बरसूंगा जैसे आंधी। I roll like thunder, thunder, तूफान मेरे अंदर अंदर। I run this town, मुंबई जाने
अरे पीछे आना
अलविदा जी रुकिए साथ में अलविदा जी
अतो बरोबर हाँ अलविदा मैम
अतुल अरे हाँ हाँ मैम राइट साइड अतुल सर राइट साइड ला
लीजिए मैम इधर
सामने सामने इधर देखिए अतुल सर सामने थैंक यू अलविदा जी आपका
लीजिए सोलो आपका
सोलो पास नहीं मैम इधर सामने मैडम लुक सेंटर
मैम थोड़ा टर्न हो जाइए इधर
थैंक यू
Go ahead and do whatever you want. So I tried my best to follow his advice.
Thank you so much for not listening.
We have no choice because this angry young man, I think my father is the angrier one. So we still listen to whatever he says.
Salman sir, I have to once again start off by thanking you, all of you, for giving us this series.
Thank you for hosting this, please.
Thank you. And I'd love to ask you, the spark or the idea of creating this docu-series, when did it come about?
I think Zoya started this. And Zoya and Farhan came to me, to all of us, and I thought that was the best thing that could ever happen.
Fantastic.
And I believe that they were the highest paid writers then. They're not leaving that position only. Even now, look at this. और ये तो अच्छा है, they didn't pursue acting. They didn't write for themselves. नहीं तो look at them.
So handsome.
आजकल भी ऐसे दो हीरो नहीं मिलेंगे आपको.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
है ना?
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Ritesh, I hope a mic is near you or it'll come to you. As someone who entered the film industry without any prior connections and has achieved so much success, how did Salim Javed's legendary work and mentorship influence or shape your creative journey?
I mean, I think you're right. I had no exposure to films till we did Dil Chahta Hai. But I think a lot of it came because from school, I remember Javed uncle used to be at Holiday Inn working there. So I used to go there because our school was right across. I used to hop across there with Farhan. And I would see some part of the process of what was the magic behind, right? So I think I got into it at that point. And then obviously you've grown up watching these movies in the 80s. And I think even today, and with Salim uncle, most of my interactions started after Dil Chahta Hai, because I remember after the movie release, Farhan and me, for most of the films, would go invite him. I obviously knew the family, Sohail, Arbaz, Salman, all these people from Sea Rock days. So, I mean, there was a lot which was there. So, I mean, I think there is a lot of influence in the work today because you've seen the stories they wrote, the way that the nuances of their screenplay, the characters, the emotional connect they had at that point, and it's even valid today. So, I mean, to be honest, even when I read a screenplay today, I try to find that connect and that emotion with which you can relate to and identify with.
Thank you so much for that answer.
And we in our industry are used to, we have to work under a lot of pressure. And he was already used to it.
He let him say it.
You only said. Because Marlik's pressure cooker belonged to him. So he'd already come from that background of working under pressure.
Well, I must say, I have one of the finest co-hosts with me today, and that is Mr. Salman Khan. Thank you so much, sir. It's so lovely. Reema.
मैं फेंके हुए पैसे उठा लेता हूँ. आजकल बहुत उठा रहा हूँ.
Reema, I hope Mike will be with you soon. Excel Entertainment, Tiger Baby, and Prime Video together have given us so many great stories. Whether it's Made in Heaven Season 1, Season 2, Someone Make Some Noise. It's my favorite show. Yes, thank you. The Hard. Thank you for The Hard very recently. I think this is amazing, this partnership between you and Prime Video. So what do you think this is going to do to that partnership? Angry Young Men.
It's wonderful for us to partner with Prime, Amazon Prime, and it's going to drop in 240 countries. And to me personally, I mean, apart from it being them being a huge contribution to the film industry, when I watch the docu-series, it's like two tigers who've done this beyond all odds. So there's a rags to riches story, there's a beyond all odds kind of story, and I think it's very universal, their journey.
Thank you so much for sharing. Namrata, yes, a round of applause.